Hello, my name's Jazmine. Welcome back to the train lane today. But first up, I'm going to put on these troublesome trucks and then I'll put on some of these. They're my toys.
That's it.
Yeah, so that one's on. My
Don't put on the
dad's
points,
just
do it on those.
helping me. My dad's just helping me a little bit to check if it's on correctly. Well, that one was really easy. You gotta keep on looking at it when you put it down. Have concentration. There's 3 on. I think that there's 5 altogether. How about we count them after I put it on these troublesome trucks? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was right. Now, should I count how many of these there are? Then I can see if I need to put any of the ponies together or any of the princesses. Well, I think that I might put the princesses in the front because they're the royal, aren't they? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's just 2 more of them. So I think that I might put those 2 together. I think that I might put some together and some not together. How does that like? Because I think the yellow and the pink like each other. Good. So, which one is it? Okay, right then, let me see what way it's going. It's okay if the ponies fall down. I think that I might give it a little more power. I'm going to put down the remote because I think that's better. Right. The princesses are backwards at the moment. They're becoming forwards. I can't really reach over there to turn them forwards, but they're forwards when they are here. But that's the good thing, isn't it? Right. Hello. I said hello to the passengers and to the princesses. Well, my name is Jazmine, it's a princess name. So that's probably how I like princesses and Barbies and things. Look, I think I'll take one off and tell you about them. Well, I'm not sure what I'll tell you about them. I might tell you the colour and good. That was a good way of getting it off, wasn't it? So, this one is Jazmine, Princess Jazmine, and that's my name. That's the reason that I picked her up first, and she's my favourite one. She's my favourite one. I noticed that she doesn't look like me, but she's nearly like me, isn't she? I don't dress like that, do I?
No.
Well, I do like to style. So, this is Princess Jazmine. I'm going to talk about, so she's blue. She is blue. Her hair is black. Her lips are red. Her eyelashes are really nice. Can you see so? Okay, I think, and she has a belly out. I think that, and she has nice coloured skin. If I pop that one back, well, my dad stopped it, and now turn it back on. And now we're looking at Aurora. Yeah, I think it's Aurora. Well, if your daughter knows this one's name, if it's Aurora, can you please tell me? So, she has a pink dress. Oh, I'm not sure what her name is. I think that her name is Aurora. Look at her crown. It's quite nice, isn't it? She's got nice coloured lips, doesn't she? And her hair is yellow. She's really pretty. So, there's some light pink and some dark pink. I'm going to put this one back. The train comes. Then they can get back together. Then I think that I'm going to talk about this pink pony. Right. Turn it back on. Okay. And now, this is the pink pony. She's really pretty. Well, there's a few more of them that you need to see. It's actually a unicorn. Can you see? And they're really little. They're good with Barbies. Right. She has quite curly pinks. And I think I'm going to put this one back in a minute when it comes around again. So then I can get it. So I can get another pony. Okay. Then. So, you know what this is? A unicorn that's yellow. She has curly hair, curly everything, but not curly skin, or curly eyelashes or curly face. And her eyelashes is really nice. And I think that I'm going to go for another one now. So the pink one and the yellow one are girls. And the red one. Well, no, the red one and the green one is boys. And then that one, and that one is girls. Well, I'm not talking about the princesses at the moment. Because you know what the princesses are. Well, I think that the one that I was talking about is Aurora. But this one isn't. So this one is the boy. It's one of the boys. It's the exact same as the others, but it's red. I'm going to just twirl it around for you. Then you can see. Because it got exact same.
Too close.
Look at her nose. His nose and things. Shall we get on to the other boy now?
Well, I think they're all the same, Jazz.
I know that all of them are the same. I'm just going to tell you about the colours in it. So keep on moving it. I'm going to tell you. So this one's the green one. The green is a nice colour. It's my dad's favourite colour, and pink's my favourite colour, and blue and yellow. I got a lot of favourite colours. So if we stop it, right, we're going to go on to this girl. This one is blue. She's like Frozen, isn't she?
Yeah.
All of the princesses is my favourite. So, when it comes around again, I'm going to put this on. Then I'm going to talk about all of them. So, let me just pick up a random one. The one that we had at the start. So this one, they're all the same, but they're different colours. Okay? So this is the one that I showed you at the beginning of I showed you the ponies. Well, that green one is lying down. So they're exact same but different colours. So that's that one. And then now shall we talk about the princesses of the trains? So they went to go on a train. Yes, I'm going to go on a train. Yes, yes, yes. We're hopping on a train. It doesn't take any money, 'cause we're a princess. And then they bought all of those ponies. And then they went to Disneyland Paris, and then they lived there forever. Please like and subscribe.